How to stop people from seeing you viewed your profile on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off your viewer history so your visits stay private. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to open the settings page. At this point, scroll down and tap on Privacy under the Account section. In the next step, scroll down further until you find the Viewer section and tap on Viewer History. Following this, toggle it off to disable your viewer history. Once done, here is what this setting actually does. When it is turned on, you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your posts within 7 days of the post date. But at the same time, others with this setting on will also be able to see that you viewed their profile or posts. From here, by turning it off, your profile visits will no longer be visible to anyone you view, and your own viewer history will also stop being tracked. Finally, keep in mind that once you turn this off, you will also lose the ability to see who has been viewing your own profile and posts, so it works both ways. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off your viewer history on TikTok on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.